updates. The India parties are still working on their seat-sharing formulas in Maharashtra. The VBA of Prakash Ambedkar says that his party's presence in the alliance is still being decided. Accordingly, he has asked his party leaders and workers to stay away from the MVA meetings for the moment. Listen in.
वंचित बहुजन आघाडीच्या सर्व कार्यकर्त्यांना आवाहन करण्यात येत आहे. युती अजून झालेली नाही. तेव्हा युतीतले असणारे पक्ष बोलवत असतील त्या बैठकींना जायचं नाही, कार्यक्रमाला जायचं नाही. पक्षाकडून जोपर्यंत आदेश येत नाहीत आणि तेही मी किंवा रेखाताई यांनी दिल्याशिवाय त्याच्यावरती विश्वास ठेवायचा नाही. कार्यकर्त्यांनी हे पाळावं अशी त्यांना नम्र विनंती.
My colleague Arunil is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Arunil, the seat-sharing formula still being worked at by the India party leaders. Prakash Ambedkar, amid these discussions, saying that his party leaders and workers have been advised to stay away from the NVA meetings for the moment.
Expected lines, Pratibha, good morning to you. Prakash Ambedkar 2 days back had also basically given out a detailed statement via a video reaction saying that the seat sharing formula that has been worked out by the Mahavikas Aghadi, 20 seats to Uddhav Thackeray, 18 to Congress and 10 to the Sharad Pawar's NCP. And if Prakash Ambedkar is on board, then 2 will go to Prakash Ambedkar from the quota of Uddhav Thackeray. That was not acceptable to him. He basically, his party had worked on 27 seats, so they were at least expecting equal number of seat share from the Mahavikas Aghadi. Now, after 2 days, he basically has given out a statement for his own party workers, Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi party workers, saying that the alliance has not yet worked out, not to go for any meetings, local meetings of the Mahavikas Aghadi or the seat sharing meetings of the Mahavikas Aghadi until he or another senior leader tells them to do so. Now, what exactly is happening is Prakash Ambedkar's very staunch demands are giving an extremely tough time to the 3 parties in the Mahavikas Aghadi. And the Mahavikas Aghadi parties, Congress, Sharad Pawar's NCP and Uddhav Thackeray, they directly cannot tell Prakash Ambedkar to back out or to leave the alliance because they fear that his supporters or the Dalit votes may not come to the Mahavikas Aghadi alliance. And that is why they are waiting for Prakash Ambedkar to at least come on board or take a decision of leaving on his own.
Okay, all right. Arunil, thank you for joining us with those details. The meetings are still going on. The decision on seat sharing has not been decided. Now that the BJP has released its first list, will that be speeded up or not would be interesting to see. Quick break now. We'll be right back. Stay with us.